Hi everyone. I have some good news, especially for our football lovers. Apart from the fact that Spain and Argentina have made it to the finals, and also the wonderful response we got for the CM fan park, I would like to inform all of you that I have decided that tomorrow, Monday, will be a holiday for all educational institutions, including schools and colleges. As we know that football is a passion and is a way of life in our state. And in order to allow our youngsters to truly enjoy it, we have come to this decision. Enjoy the finals and wish you all the very best. Thank you.